The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a motorhome, it is a revolution that brings together the unmatched performance of Bugatti with the freedom and versatility of luxury travel. Designed for those who refuse to compromise on either speed or comfort, this motorhome represents a new era where the spirit of grand touring extends beyond the supercar and transforms into a home on wheels. The exterior design reflects the unmistakable DNA of Bugatti's hypercars, featuring aerodynamic lines, a low and wide stance, and the signature horseshoe grille that immediately signals prestige and power. Every detail, from the sleek LED light strips to the active aerodynamic elements, has been sculpted to optimize performance and efficiency while maintaining an aggressive yet elegant presence on the road. Inside, the Bugatti Motorhome is a masterpiece of modern luxury living. The interior welcomes you with a blend of high-grade leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents that remind you of Bugatti's racing pedigree while delivering the comfort of a luxury suite. The lounge area offers spacious seating with customizable configurations that can transform to suit any mood or need, whether it's relaxing with family or entertaining guests. Expansive panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light and offer breathtaking views of every destination, turning every stop into a private retreat surrounded by nature. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances seamlessly integrated into sleek cabinetry. High-end induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and a compact yet functional oven ensure that gourmet meals can be prepared no matter where the road leads. Intelligent storage solutions make organization effortless, keeping the space clutter-free and maximizing usability. The dining area merges functionality with design, allowing you to savor meals in an environment that feels like a modern penthouse rather than a motorhome. A highlight of the Bugatti Motorhome is its master suite, designed to be a haven of relaxation. The bed is crafted with the finest memory foam and finished with luxurious bedding, ensuring restful sleep after long journeys. Ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, creating an atmosphere of tranquility. The private bathroom continues the theme of indulgence, featuring a rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and smart temperature controls. Heated floors and anti-fog mirrors are subtle touches that elevate the experience to a level of sophistication rarely seen in mobile living spaces. Under the hood, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome showcases an innovative hybrid powertrain that balances Bugatti's legendary performance with the demands of modern sustainability. A twin-turbocharged V8 engine works in harmony with an advanced electric motor, delivering exhilarating acceleration when needed while offering impressive fuel efficiency for extended road trips. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes to match their journey, whether they prefer quiet electric cruising through city streets or unleashing the full power on open highways. An adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth ride regardless of the terrain. The driving experience is further enhanced by a cockpit that feels like the command center of a supercar. A fully digital instrument cluster, augmented reality heads-up display, and intuitive touch controls keep all essential information at your fingertips. Advanced driver assistance systems add a layer of safety, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automated parking to make every trip stress-free. Connectivity is at the heart of the Bugatti Motorhome experience. An integrated AI smart system manages climate, lighting, entertainment, and security, all controllable via voice commands or a dedicated app. High-speed 5G connectivity ensures you stay connected for work or play, whether you're parked in the mountains or by the beach. The entertainment system features a premium surround sound setup and hidden smart displays that transform the lounge into a private cinema whenever you desire. Even the exterior living experience has been carefully considered. A retractable awning provides shade for outdoor gatherings, while an integrated outdoor kitchen and lounge area invite you to extend your living space beyond the walls of the motorhome. A built-in garage compartment stores a compact Bugatti electric scooter, offering an effortless way to explore local surroundings without moving the motorhome. With the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, the boundaries between high-performance driving and luxurious living dissolve. It embodies the philosophy that adventure should never come at the expense of comfort or style. This remarkable creation redefines what's possible when cutting-edge automotive engineering meets the world of mobile luxury. For those who crave freedom without limits and the thrill of Bugatti wherever the road takes them, this motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's an invitation to experience life without compromise, 1 mile at a time.